Wake up, Rosieniael. It is your 3rd week on this world. Wow. So you're a 3-week-old fella. Okay. Hold the camera. Okay. I'm watching the vlogs just to pause. Alright. What's up, everybody? My name is Rosieniael. I'm annoyed with my father named Ian. Yep, that's him. So annoying. Anyway, thank you for watching. Good night. Hi. Hi. Can you give me another one? Oh, I have one over here.
Is this done?
Yeah, that's kind of wet. You don't like it? Let me clean your face, cause milk is all over. Bless you. Oh wow, what a nose! It's like a UFO, 2 UFO. Oh my gosh. Oh, you're so cute. Yeah, you're almost 1 month old. Next couple days. Wow. Yeah. Huh? Following him this way. So this is Naya's first swimming pool. Which side?
The head should be
On the other side?
so bali lugar ta ani di ay.
Should be like this?
Yeah, din yan ta ka.
Should be like that then?
Ra ulo ni puta eh. Okay.
Almost there. Ching ba ching ba ching. Ba ching ba ching ba ching ba ching. Ching. She just pee on me. Alright, so today is February 28th and it's Audie's birthday. Chelsea gave a presents to Audie. Whoop whoop! Box, wow! So nice!
Yes.
Thank you, Chelsea. Oh, wow! That's so cute! Mahalo, Chelsea. Mahalo.
Thank you, Chelsea.
Hello, thank you.
This year you've been blessed with God's greatest gift for us. Aww. I don't think so. I can speak from experience of having you as my mother. There you figure out here. In Washington, before you had Naya, you were already a mother to not only me, but to our cousins. Who we watch over. And I'd say that everyone would agree to you being a wonderful mom. Salamat kay student. Whoa!
February 28th, Audie's birthday.
The camera!
Today's leap year. Or tomorrow.
Hello! Happy birthday!
Yeah. Tomorrow's the 29th. Yo.
Hi!
32 years
We're
old.
gonna do prayer now.
What can you say in your...
Thank you guys for coming over. I look skinny now.
Nice.
Fabulous!
I remember I was very
Fabulous and
what? You didn't remember I was freaking out like when I found out I was
This is where I'm from.
pregnant and then
Why, Loco?
Don't forget it.
I know.
The baby is sleeping.
The baby was sleeping.
Come in. Happy birthday
And
to
the party!
you.
Happy
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Audie. Happy birthday to you. Thank you.
You just
Thank you.
a speech.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you very much.
I
That's it?
appreciate everyone's presence. That's it. From the bottom of my heart. Thank you.
Alexa, turn on computer lamp.
Today's date is... What's today's date, my love?
29.
Yeah, February 29, 2020. And...
Alexa, turn on floor lamp. She likes kitty kitty. Yeah? You like kitty kitty?
Baby Naya.
Milk drunk.
We love you, baby.
Oh, I forgot your booger to take it out. Yes, maybe later, okay? The next round, right? After 3 hours of 4 ounces of milk. Good morning, Rosie. So I think she's trying to poop, and I have a susher over here. Baby susher. Hi, Rosie. Yeah, smiling because you fart already. Yeah. She's gaining weight. She's getting heavier. And she has #1 diaper already, not the newborn. Good job, Rosie. Take a break. It's 8:09 and I don't have sleep. I just sleep like an hour and then wake up and then... Anyway, look her.
She just got done eating. She's daddy's girl. Hey, Rosie. Our Naya girl. What can you say? Tomorrow she'll be 1 month.
Tomorrow I'll be working.
Yeah.
Alright, so today is Naya's first month birthday and we're trying to take a photo. Here's our photographer and mothergrapher.
I will just take pictures. Uy, ate. It's okay.
Look at her. Alright, so we're doing this monthly thing. And this one too, where do you put the one? The cool.
Sa wap ako nakapicture.
Naya, Naya, Naya. Naya, Naya, Naya. Yana. Okay. Come on. Okay. Here you go. Look at her. Look at. Okay. What's up, everybody? I'm crying. I'm hungry. I poop a lot. Alright. First time parents here. This is her second bath for the
What second bath?
third bath. I mean second bath for us, but first bath is from the hospital. And I hope you don't scratch your face or grab my hair.
Ting ting.
No. Don't scratch your head. Okay. Ouch. I scratch my. Ouch! You scratch my head. Okay.
Say hey.